Hi, welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Wong, and today I'm going to show you how to make payment for the consideration sum. Once the property bidding session has ended, it will show here on the status saying that the bidding has ended. And this listing will not be shown again on the open for bidding or the bidding ended soon section. So let's come to the previous property that we have successfully bid. Make sure you are logged in as your user and scroll down to the bidding sections. Here we will see that we are the top one bidder for the top 3 bidders listed in this table. The minimum asking rent started at 1,005 and our bid was 1,007. So let's click to view bid history. Here we can see transparently all the previous bids that were received for this particular property. So we were the first one to bid at 1,005 and we were also the highest bid for 1,007. Now, congratulations, Wong KW. So we made it to the top 3 bids. So the next step will be to pay the consideration sum. Click here and it will bring us to the checkout page. The consideration sum will be the 10% of the bid amount and or 500, whichever is higher. So in this case, 1,007, okay, for a bid of 1,007, the consideration sum that is required to pay is 500. So through payment gateway, let's pay via PayX. And the payment method that we use is actually pre-authorization, whereby the amount is actually locked in the credit card that we use to make this payment. No transaction is actually being made at this moment. So let's key in our credit card number, the expiry date, and the sample CVC number for this test card. So let's click pay 500 ringgit. And once successful, it will bring us to an order page. So this is the transaction summary once the successful payment has been made. It shows here order has been received. Let's go back to our properties. So in our My Property section, we can also check our status at My Bids, which will show the properties that we have successfully bid and the payment status. So as shown here, it says that the payment has been made. Okay, for our highest bid of 1,007 and the consideration sum that we have paid is 500. So now, next, we will have to wait 48 hours for the landlord to review and select the most suitable tenant.